Put another root beer in the cowboy mug. Another root beer. Root beer, no! Root beer! No, root beer, no! There's so much root beer, no! Root beer in the cowboy hill, yeah! Root beer! I love root beer!
No, ja ne hladíra, on ne vodíra. No, ja on ne hloršče. Ja on ne hlorka.
Is she crazy?
Primeira, segunda, terceira, quarta, quinta e ré. Aí tem acelerador, freio e embreagem. Toma.
Freddie, chill out, bud. Oh my God, you're hauling ass.
No es un chico malo, solo quiere ser él mismo.
Knock knock. I'm here to collect the rent money. It's been 3 days. You're late.
Huh? Root beer, no! Root beer! No, root beer, no! There's so much root beer!
Bro, nobody's cat in the world has ever managed to do shit like this. She's stuck.
I want to get up and turn. Oh, sorry. I want to turn the light off, but.
I'm Donald Trump. Thank you. Thank you.
It's happened again. Another sign language interpreter accused of signing total gibberish. This time it was at the police news conference announcing an arrest in the Tampa serial killings. Standing off to the side, apparently translating every...
Attenzione pickpocket! Attenzione borseggiatrici!